reconciliation, mediation, and industrial peace. Kenya operates within the global context, and our competitiveness is key to overcoming economic challenges. Progress has been made in managing inflation, stabilizing the currency, and addressing debt. Our economic policies have also lowered prices of basic goods, easing pressure on workers. As we continue on this trajectory, we need to appreciate that we must live within our means and manage the cost of doing business in our country as a way of enhancing our overall competitiveness. And it is the reason why, listening to both Francis Atwoli and Jacqueline Mugo, I think they are reading from the same script. And they are telling us the same thing. What they are telling us from my reading is that all of us, as the people of Kenya, those of us who have the opportunity to work, those of us who have the opportunity to get a job, we must be productive.